So the Federation of Resident Doctors Association has given a call for a nationwide medical strike. Pan-India doctors are on strike. They are demanding justice in case of the horror that was witnessed in West Bengal. Protest demanding justice begins. We have our reporters joining us from multiple cities to get us an update of what's happening on ground. Let's first go across to Adrija. We're also joined by Abhishek and Nilesh. Adrija, this is a pan-India protest now.
Well, absolutely. See, this has turned into a pan-India protest now, and in fact, in RG Kar hospital itself also, you can see that the crowd, which is usually there at this point in time, is very minimal. Very less people also coming in because most of the departments have ceased their function. Emergency, however, is working more or less, but most of the departments have ceased their function, and therefore, some patients have to come and also have to return back because of the fact that the doctors are not present here in solidarity with the event. And not only in RG Kar hospital, hospitals across West Bengal have joined in the solidarity, have ceased work. Other medical colleges also have ceased work. So of course, this has become now a pan-India protest, and at the same time, police is investigating the matter via SIT. A special investigating team has been constituted, and at the same time, the commissioner of police overlooking the entire matter, Mamata Banerjee, has also given instructions to ensure that a speedy justice be delivered, because the student also demand for a speedy justice.
Absolutely. Let me in fact go across to Abhishek joining us from the RML hospital. What is the impact of this on ground on the patients?
Well, absolutely. Here also right now I'm standing at RML hospital, and here also doctors are protesting. The resident doctors are saying, save the saviors. Now they are demanding that there should be a CBI inquiry in this whole matter. Instead of this having a state government, they are also saying that who will protect us? We are the saviors and we are in threat. क्या मांगे हैं आप लोगों की? आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या लगता है क्या और होना चाहिए?
हमारी 3 मुख्य मांगे हैं। सबसे पहली मांग ये है कि सीबीआई फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में जांच की जाए, क्योंकि जिनको पकड़ा गया है वो असल में दोषी नहीं है, दोषी घूम रहे हैं, और सिर्फ एक व्यक्ति का ये काम नहीं है, 2 से 3 लोगों के स्पेसिमेंस मिले हैं, तो उसको प्रूफ करने के लिए और दोषियों को सजा दिलाने के लिए सीबीआई फास्ट ट्रैक जरूरी है। दूसरी मांग ये है कि आरजी कर के जो अथॉरिटीज है उनको परमानेंटली हटाया जाए, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही गैर जिम्मेदार तरह से काम कर रहे हैं, और परमानेंटली हटाया जाए, दोबारा उनको लाया ना जाए। तीसरी मांग ये है कि सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट, जिसमें डॉक्टर्स की सुरक्षा का एक्ट है, वो तुरंत से लागू किया जाए ताकि हम सेफ फील कर सके, क्योंकि अगर एक प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट, एक प्रीमियर सिटी में वहां पे डॉक्टर्स, एक महिला सेफ नहीं है, डॉक्टर ड्यूटी रूम में एक महिला सेफ नहीं है, तो आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हम इस भय के माहौल में काम करें? जहां तक कि दिल्ली में भी हर आरएमएल में हर महीने 5 से 6 एमएलसी डॉक्टर्स के अगेंस्ट होती है। जीटीबी में पिछले महीने ही फायरिंग हुई है, बहुत सारी हिंसा की घटनाएं डॉक्टर्स के अगेंस्ट होती रही है। वो सिर्फ एक डॉक्टर की बात नहीं है, बल्कि एक महिला की भी बात है, एक इंसान की बात है। तो हमारी ये मांगे जब तक पूरी नहीं होगी तब तक हम नहीं हटेंगे। इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज चलती रहेंगी, लेकिन रूटीन ओपीडीज एंड वार्ड नहीं चलेंगे।
Routine OPDs नहीं चलेंगे, and this is what they have to say. The same anger, the same rage can be seen in their eyes also. They are demanding for the justice, and in this poster also you can see that violence against doctors ends today. And this is what they have to say. This is what they are protesting for. They are demanding that there should be a CBI probe. क्या कहेंगे आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं आज?
सर, बस मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि लोगों का ध्यान इस जो क्राइम हुआ है उसके ऊपर आया जाए। ये एक निर्भया कांड से कम क्राइम नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत कम लोगों को इसके बारे में पता है। तो जैसे निर्भया कांड के बाद लोगों को जागरूकता आई कि जानना पड़ा कि महिलाओं के खिलाफ होते हुए अत्याचार पे कंट्रोल होना चाहिए, वही डॉक्टर्स के साथ भी होना चाहिए। क्यों समाज ने डॉक्टर्स को ऐसे निग्लेक्ट कर दिया है? क्यों डॉक्टर्स की जरूरत है और उनकी कोई नहीं सुनना चाहता? जो लड़की थी वो वहां पे पीजी कर रही थी। पीजी करने के लिए डॉक्टर को अपने घर से दूर रहना होता है, अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ना होता है, ताकि समाज की सेवा कर सके। और यहाँ पे समाज का समर्थन नहीं आ रहा हमें इस चीज के लिए, इसलिए हम सरकार का ध्यान चाहते हैं इस टॉपिक के ऊपर। सर, ये पॉइंट है।
आपको लगता है कि इस पूरे प्रोटेस्ट से कहीं ना कहीं कुछ निकल के सामने आएगा, न्याय मिलेगी?
वी वांट दैट द गवर्नमेंट शुड पे अटेंशन कि ये जो अत्याचार हुआ है, इससे पहले भी वायलेंस के बहुत सारे एपिसोड्स हुए हैं। वी हैव ट्राइड टू हाईलाइट दीज इश्यूज, बट अभी तक भी कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ था। बट नाउ इट इज एक्सटेंडेड टू द सिचुएशन दैट इट हैज टर्न्ड इनटू रेप। सो वी वांट दैट द गवर्नमेंट शुड पे अटेंशन कि इस चीज की और सिवियरिटी ना बढ़े, एंड वी शुड सेव द सेवियर्स।
should save the saviors, and this is what they have to say. They are protesting here. They are not going to OPDs. They are not going to emergency services. They are saying कि जो चल रहा है वो
saviors. That's the demand coming in from the doctors. Abhishek, stay on with us. We also have Nilesh joining us from the Maxim City from Mumbai. Nilesh, the Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors also today standing in solidarity with the victim in West Bengal, the doctor who was brutally raped and murdered. They've also announced a strike. Nilesh, can you hear me?
Well, absolutely, voices are coming in from various districts and cities, and these voices are very much similarly heard from Mumbai city. At the moment, we are just outside one of the biggest hospitals of Maharashtra, that is JJ Hospital, wherein in solidarity and protesting against whatever gruesome incident happened, the resident doctors of JJ Hospital will be protesting today evening around 6 p.m. with black ribbon on their hand, and will be taking out a candle march, standing in solidarity with this young doctor who was brutally raped and murdered. So these are voices which are getting across whole country, because this is not a situation which is just only pertaining to one single state or one single incident, because resident doctors have been demanding for their safety issues since a very long. However, no justice has been given to them. JJ Hospital's resident doctors have announced that they will be protesting without affecting the emergency services. At moment, it is not a protesting scenario in here, but today evening around 6, a candle march will be pulled out by the resident doctor. Those are residing in here, and this is a picture not just limited to Mumbai but all over Maharashtra, wherein the MARD, that is Maharashtra Resident Doctor Association, is expanded. All of those doctors will be protesting, standing in solidarity, demanding justice and action against those culprits who have committed this gruesome murder and rape in this particular city.
Right. Stay on with us, Adrija, Abhishek and Nilesh. A 7-member delegation of the Joint Forum of Doctors visited the house of the victim last evening to speak to the parents. While only one person has been arrested so far, the doctors who visited the victim's family claim that the parents are of the opinion there could have been more people involved in the gruesome act. This claim was also backed by a TMC minister, Sobhandev Chattopadhyay. Listen in.
My conviction is that वो एक आदमी नहीं किया, एक आज उसको आंगुल टूटा है, उसको नाक टूटा है, उसमें ब्लड था, उसको मुंह टूटा है, उसको कॉलर टूटा है. ये क्या कोई एक आदमी का संभव है? Should be hanged to death, or they should be hanged to death.
The West Bengal leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, has now put the focus on the role of the principal of the RG Kar Medical College. In a post on social networking platform X, Suvendu claimed that Principal Sandeep Ghosh's role must be investigated. Why does he say that? Suvendu claims Sandeep Ghosh was removed twice from his post of principal, but both times he remained in his post. Suvendu has demanded for his immediate suspension and removal from his position. Union Minister and BJP State Chief Sukanta Majumdar has also written a letter to the Health Minister JP Nadda demanding a CBI probe in the case. He has also sought enhancement of security measures, including more CCTVs at government-run hospitals, and sought psychological support for the medical staff of the RG Kar Medical College. The chorus for CBI probe is growing, with CPIM too backing the call for investigation by a central agency. Listen in.
More than one people is related to this incident, and their involvement is circumstantial evidences is saying that their involvement may be more than one people involvement.
Mamata Banerjee gave the slogan "Ma Mati Manush," but neither Ma, neither Mati, neither Manush are safe under her watch. Instead of ensuring that justice is delivered to the victim's family, Mamata Banerjee's government has constituted an inquiry committee which has interns and which has members who are close to the TMC party. What will be their attempt? To cover up the truth, to bury the truth. The entire doctors and medical fraternity is upset with this. They are up in arms because they clearly understand that an attempt is being made to cover up the truth. The state government should immediately go for a CBI probe and should not make the family run from pillar to post. So this is an anti-woman government, and therefore
डॉक्टर जूनियर डॉक्टर चूंकि नाइंसाफी हुआ, जिसे हम कहते थे सिटी ऑफ जॉय, आज वो सिटी ऑफ भॉय है. ये भय को दूर करना है। जहां चिकित्सा करने वाली डॉक्टर तक सुरक्षित नहीं है। यहाँ के प्रिंसिपल ममता के खास दलाल है। कलकत्ता पुलिस कमिश्नर खुद इसको दबा रहे थे, इसलिए जनता रास्ते में सिर्फ एक को दिखा के नजर नहीं होगा। जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी, न्यायिक जांच।
Now, responding to the demands, Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has issued a statement saying that the government is ready for a probe by a central agency. Other leaders of TMC have raised demands for a special ordinance that allows for rapists to be killed in encounter or be given the death sentence.
The BJP or the other political parties, and specifically BJP, who are doing vulture politics over dead body, they are in power in the union government. Why don't they pass an ordinance or a bill that if there is circumstantial evidence against any criminal of this kind, that person within 7 days should be encountered or should be hanged till death.
একের পর এক ঘটনা হয়েছে, হাতরাস হয়েছে, নির্ভয়া হয়েছে, উন্নাও হয়েছে, তারপরেও দেশে চারিদিকে এই ঘটনা ঘটবে কেন? তার কারণ মানুষ জানে এর বিচার হতে হতে তো 5 বছর, 6 বছর, 7 বছর, আবার অনেক ক্ষেত্রে ছাড়াও পেয়ে যাব। এটা কেন হবে? আমি তো বলছি, হয় যদি পারিপার্শ্বিক প্রমাণ তথ্য আপনার বিরুদ্ধে হয়, তাহলে হয় এনকাউন্টার করে মারা উচিত, নইলে ফাঁসির মঞ্চে নিয়ে গিয়ে ঝোলানো উচিত। এই সমস্ত লোকেদের সমাজে থাকার কোনো অধিকার নেই।